Have you ever wondered why there are so many towers like the one behind me along Sicily's coastline? Standing here, looking at the sea, it's hard to imagine that this peaceful place was once a front line of defense. For centuries, these mysterious structures watched over the island, waiting for a threat that could come at any moment from the sea. Imagine being the soldier assigned to this tower over 400 years ago. Your job was simple. Watch the horizon, day and night. From that small window, you'd scan the sea, hoping you wouldn't see the sails of pirate ships approaching. These towers were never isolated. Each one was built within sight of the next, creating an incredible communication network that surrounded Sicily. For instance, if you're good watchers, you can see behind me the Isle of Women, Isola delle Femmine. On the top of the isle, there's another watchtower from the 1500s. They were connected, of course. Imagine the silence of the night suddenly broken by a fire blazing on the tower above you. It was the signal. Danger was coming. From one tower to the next, the warning traveled across the coastline, giving villages the time they needed to protect themselves. These were Sicily's coastal watchtowers, built during the 15 and 1600s to protect the island from pirate attacks. Today, these towers are quite reminders of a time when the greatest danger to Sicily came from the sea. And this one overlooks one of my favorite swimming spots in Sicily. Follow me and I'll take you to discover other beautiful stories and hidden places across the island. Look at that. And now you know the story, I think it's time to swim. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!